All right, let's go for a ride, y'all. That exhaust sounds good. Nice and quiet now. No doubt about it, this old big Ford's a cruiser. I think them front tires just tend to be balanced. I did notice, you know, y'all might remember there was a day when I was working on the front end, one of them tires seemed like it's pretty much out of balance, and so that doesn't surprise me. Survival rates up around 75 or 80, so that'd be a worthwhile investment to take it in and get the tires rebalanced on it. Sit y'all over here while I spin her around. Boy, she's just quiet as a Cadillac from in here, which is actually pretty good. You know, you want a car to have a good sound. but you don't want to drown you out so you can't hear ZZ Top on the radio. I'm just saying. So she'll do second gear and 70 miles an hour in second high. So I expect she'll do everything on the speedometer plus a little bit.